everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So if you're also wondering on how we can do that, in this video we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started with the video. For that, you can head over to Snapchat and open up your Snapchat. And once you're logged in, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to improve the quality of the snaps on your Snapchat, what you can do is drop down this option at the right side of your screen in this section where you can click snaps. And once you're here, select this option called tone right here. Select this option called tone right here. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And what that will do is it will improve your snaps by fixing the exposures issues. So that is it. That is how you can upload up the high quality snaps on Snapchat by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.